Introducing the Fluke 438 Power Quality and Motor Analyzer. The Fluke 438 is a multi-purpose test tool designed to improve troubleshooting on electric motors and minimize downtime. Whether you're in a process plant or discrete manufacturing, electric motors are critical to your operation's success. The Fluke 438 lets you quickly gauge electrical performance, power quality, and mechanical performance of industrial motors. Using three-phase electrical measurements on the input and motor rating plate data, the 438 calculates torque, the most critical mechanical performance variable, speed, load on the motor shaft, and overall efficiency, without the need to install mechanical sensors. All this with a single tool, and all while the motor is running so you don't sacrifice uptime. Power quality issues, such as unbalance and harmonics, can cause motors to run hot, eventually stressing windings and accelerating failures. Motor failures lead to costly downtime, and the cost of waste associated with inefficient motors adds up. When testing direct online motors with the new Fluke 438, you get both power quality information and mechanical performance data in the same test with a single tool. With an intuitive user interface, optimized current probes, and at-a-glance motor status screens, the Fluke 438 gives you the motor troubleshooting information you need to make better maintenance decisions and keep your plant up and running. Contact your local Fluke representative to learn more.